I'm Kate, one of the children's librarians for Napier Libraries, and welcome to another Discovery Time, so craft. So this week's been really special. Can you guess what week it's been with some books I put around me? Yeah, it's been Sea Week. We've got some fantastic books in our Napier and Taradale Library all about our moana, our ocean. So today's craft is going to be Crabby Handprints. So it's a very basic craft. You get to paint your hands and get a little bit messy, which is quite exciting. So for this craft you're going to need some paper. So I have some blue paper here, but you can use white paper or whatever colour you like. I have my orange paint, my paintbrush to be able to put the orange paint onto my hand. Some colouring in pencils, or you can use crayons. A black marker, if you don't have any googly eyes, I've got some googly eyes there. Some paper towels or some newspaper that you can lay on underneath your artwork. Some baby wipes to wipe your hands afterwards, and I have some blue tack to be able to stick it up on the wall or on my window. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is get a little bit messy and you're going to paint your hands. This is all exciting, so that's why we have baby wipes, or you have a towel close by so you can wipe your hands after. So you're going to paint them with the orange paint. Paint one hand to begin with. Oh, very nice and cold paint, very slimy. Have you ever seen a crab at the beach? Try to catch a crab, they run really fast, don't they? Okay, so we're going to put one down on our piece of paper. Push really hard and pull it off. Okay, then I'm going to give this hand a bit of a wipe. Okay, and then when we've wiped our one hand, we're going to paint the other hand. So put paint on. And we're going to paint that cold, slimy paint all over your hand. Like so. Get your fingers out so it gets all over your fingers as well. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing, but quite close to your other hand. Spread your fingers out and you're going to push down. Okay, you're going to slowly bring your hand up. Got a bit of a pattern there. Can you see how I have some gaps in there? So you can fill that in with our paint on our brush. So fill in those gaps there. And if you want, you can fill those gaps there. It looks like my fingers have come away from my palms, doesn't it? So fill that in there, on that side. Okay, so when you've washed both of your hands, you're ready to decorate your handprints. So I have some googly eyes here. What do you think? Should we use the really big ones? Really big eyes on our crab? Yeah, that's a good idea, isn't it? So these ones are actually sticky ones. Sometimes you get the ones that you just have to put some glue on the back. Stick one there, another eye on there, so there we go, our crab's starting to take shape. Okay, well it's in the ocean, so we can use our colouring in pencils or our crayons to add to our design. So I have some colouring in pencils here. So what's in the ocean? What's green that you can think of? Here's maybe some seaweed. Put some seaweed going up the side. These leaves coming off. Do some seaweed on the other side. Crabs in amongst the seaweed. Maybe at the bottom of the ocean. Some seaweed. And what else is in the ocean? Maybe some fish. So let's see what colouring. Again, you can use whatever colour you want. My favourite colour is purple. Why pura purple? No, I'm not the best artist, but you think, here we go, fish on that side. Should we do another one on this side? It's just easy fish to draw. You can see that I made a bit of a boo-boo because I had linked my paintbrush on there. That's okay, it just adds to the picture. So you can carry on drawing some more fish on your page. So there we have it, my Crabby handprint. I put some blue tack on the back and put it up on my window. You can see that I've drawn lots of other fish there as well, and when the paint's dry you might like to draw a smiley face on your crab with a black marker. Thank you very much Tamariki Ma for joining me for this special Sea Week craft. We hope to see you all again soon. Ka kite!